Hello. Today we're working on upplanting our King Star Lingria seedling that was started roughly a month ago. This happens to be the runt of the litter, so to speak, the smallest of 3 plants that I started at the same time. We'll begin by taking our vessel of choice and the net pot that we will be using and filling the vessel with our nutrient solution, which is simply 1 teaspoon of Maxi Grow from General Hydroponics, 10-5-14, mixed with 1 gallon of water. And we will fill to just over the bottom of the net pot. We don't have any root growth showing yet out of the horticube in which we planted the seedling, in which we started the seedling, I should say. So we went just over the bottom of the net pot so as not to super saturate the cube and the plant. Okay, now we will insert our seedling into the net pot very simply. We will add some of our expanded clay pebbles. We'll be adding more in the future as the plant continues to grow. Right now we don't want to squash the poor little thing. I worked very hard to get to the point that it's at now. So we'll just get started. The pebbles will also help to block the light from penetrating into the nutrient solution and creating a problem with algae. We did pre-rinse the pebbles to get rid of any of the powdery debris that's inherent to them upon packaging and processing. They can be reused. We rinse ours with a mild bleach solution and then let them sit out for a day or two so that any remaining bleach dissipates. You don't need to be adding bleach to the growing medium. Anyway, it was that simple. Set it in place and set it under our grow lights. Thank you for watching.